We keep on coming across the term called master. Many of you might be wondering what is master. So in this video we will try to understand what exactly is the master and what is its use. So earlier we understood the release delivery flow, where once the developer do the check-in, build process is triggered, which captures code and the DB changes and package as part of one release package. That release is deployed on the QA for further testing. So this was general flow with which the release package is developed. So master is one of the important component of the release delivery automation. In the check-in, or we can say in the build process, it is one of the important component. Without it, the automation is not possible. So what is master? Master is a simple schema of one database, or we can call it as a database user. Okay, so what are the properties of masters? So as we understood, masters is nothing but a DB schema which is present in master database. There is one master database in which all the schemas or database users would be maintained. One master will be part of one view. One master is always attached with one view. We already understood what is the skate view, what is freeze view, what is preview or prod view. So one master will be always attached to one view. If we take one skate view, one master would be always present, and whatever check-ins done on that master, when build is triggered for skate view, all the new changes or we can call it as in changes from that masters are packaged as part of release. Okay, so as we understand, masters are used for maintaining structural or system data. We can call it as a container, part of automation, where whatever the system data or whatever the new structural changes are maintained, which will be picked during the build process. It is an important component of release build delivery process, and we already understood each master is linked with one view or one branch. It contains hundreds of system tables. We need to the point to be noted here is always we check in system data. We are not provide any business data as part of release delivery. So master always captures system data only. So developers use various tools called master UI or other tools to do the check-in. So they will select specific view, skate, freeze, wherever they want for the specific project, and they do the check-ins. So once the check-ins are done, once the build is done, build is triggered, the release, all those changes are captured as part of release. Master also maintains. Through the masters, we can also understand who did what changes. If there is a table called UPGD which maintains the sequence of changes, when and who did the changes. So these are the various properties of masters, we can say. So at the end, master is just the schema which is used to maintain structural or data changes, and it is important component of the release build, and during the build all the changes from this masters are picked.